Waiting for your ship to come in, but you think it's stuck in the perfect storm? Then this is for you. Last night when I was preparing dinner, I was making spaghetti bolognaise and my husband offered to come and help me. So I gave him the task to grate the cheese for me. And I had to leave the kitchen for a while. And when I came back, he was struggling with these big hands of his to grate the cheese with this old dilapidated grater that I had lying in the cupboard that I forgot to replace. And I had this beautiful new shiny one sitting in the cupboard and I just forgot to tell him about it. And it made me realize how often are we struggling with old equipment and old ways when there are new, shiny, easier ways to do things. When we stick to the old ways, we sometimes miss out on better opportunities. I want to share a new path with you. There is a course that you can do to learn step-by-step methods to automate your business and digitally market your product. You can sell this product and gain 100% commission from it. And no, you do not need an existing business to do this, and you do not need to have prior skills. You learn everything. You can start from scratch. If we keep doing what we're doing, working for others, waiting for our ship to come in, we're going to miss this boat entirely. But here's the thing. This generation has a different approach. The ship isn't stuck in a storm. It's riding the perfect storm of new digital ways. Once you dive into these digital marketing skills and consistently apply them, your business will transform. More than that, it's an opportunity for others to transform their lives too, learning from you as their mentor. Drop a yes in the comments if you're ready to learn about this life-changing opportunity.